Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I will be unboxing the Treasure Tress box. So let's get into it. Okay, so Treasure Tress sent me this box. They sent it to me back in April, I believe. But this is Europe's first and largest natural hair product discovery box. So basically, it's a subscription, and every month you get different products in the box. So they sent me the Quarantine and Chill box. Now they do offer global delivery, so if you live in the United States like me, you can still subscribe to their boxes and get a box every month. Okay, let's see what's in this box because I have not opened it up. So, honey, I'm gonna be thoroughly surprised. Okay, we got the gold wrap. All right. Ooh, honey. Okay. All right, let's start with this. All right. Okay, this is the Shea Moisture. This is the raw shea butter deep treatment mask with sea kelp and argan oil. Okay, this is Originals by Africa's Best. This is the coconut cream leave-in conditioner. Oh y'all, wait a minute. Okay, so it has 100% coconut milk, avocado, grapeseed, and argan oils. Okay. Alright, this is the Design Essentials Natural Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate Free Shampoo. And they sent 2 of these. Oh baby, they got some good stuff in here. Alright, this is the Aunt Jackie's Power Wash Intense Moisture Clarifying Shampoo. Okay, I've heard of this brand before. A lot of body with milk, honey, Restore Me cream conditioner, deeply moisturizes, makes hair soft and manageable for natural hair, no sulfates. Oh, child, what did I just draw? Okay, now I don't know what this is, y'all. Box is a little beat up. That's all right. The Phyto Specific Paris. Okay. This is an oil. I'm not for sure how to pronounce that, but it's a botanical blend oil. I'm gonna look it up how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna just guess the baobab oil. I'm gonna look that up. Nourishes and fortifies hair, hydrates scalp and body. So it's just an oil. As a matter of fact, let me open it up because I want to see. Okay. All right. Yeah. Oh look, it's a glass bottle. Okay, packaging is nice. So it looks like, I'm just being nosy. Oh, it can be used as a pre-poo treatment. Okay, apply to dry damp hair and scalp, leave on for 15 minutes. Or it can be used as a leave-in treatment, apply on dry hair as a finishing styling touch. Or on the body. Okay, so you can even use this for your body. Okay, y'all, so I went back in my email to verify if this was the Quarantine and Chill box. Evidently it is, because the representative from the company that I spoke to, she said she would be sending the Quarantine box. Now, I know for sure that the Quarantine and Chill box is on their website. It does have Shea Moisture. So I would not be surprised, y'all, if I know, okay, as a matter of fact, now that I think about it, I know that the box said it was sold out. So I'm pretty sure they had to, whatever they had left over, they had to add some other products to it to still make a Quarantine and Chill box, which is okay. Like, that's totally fine. But just so it wouldn't be confusing, I did go back and verify. This is a Quarantine box. Just some different products than what you may see on their actual website. Now, I have so many products and stuff over here that I still have not gotten to, and it would be a shame for me to just let these products sit on the shelf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a giveaway. Okay, y'all, so here are the giveaway rules. go to Instagram and follow me on Instagram. Like the giveaway post that I made. Comment why you should win and tag 2 people. And then also subscribe to the Chandra's Likes email list, which I'll provide the link down below. Now, if you want an extra entry, you can share the post via your IG story. And I'm also going to throw this in here too. If you're watching my YouTube video and you're listening to me right now and you're a subscriber of my channel, be sure to write done in the comments, and that will be another extra entry. So that's 2 extra entries that you can have. It closes on Sunday, July 26th, and on Monday, July 27th, I will announce the winner. Thank y'all so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate the support so much. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.